In today's video, let's discuss what is SEO, what are the components of SEO, and what does SEO actually look like. So to answer the basic question, what is SEO? SEO is the process of growing the quality and the quantity of website traffic by increasing the visibility of a website or a web page to users of a web search engine. What this means is we want to improve certain features of your website so that Google can pick up the keywords that you'd like to target and rank your website for those particular keywords. What you're looking at here is the URL, then the title tag, then the meta description. The title tag should be between 60 to 70 characters and include the keywords that you'd like to target for that particular page. In this example, this is our home page. We're a digital marketing agency. We're based in New York City, and we offer PPC, paid social, and SEO services. So I made sure to include all of those different pieces within our title tag. This way we'll rank for keywords like digital marketing agency in NYC, as well as SEO services, paid social services, PPC services, and other variations. In our meta description, we want that to be between 150 and 160 characters. Here we also want to include keywords if possible, but this is mostly to help get the user to click through to your website. When we begin an SEO campaign, one of the first things we do is scrape the website to get a list of all of the URLs, the title tags, and the meta descriptions. Then we rewrite the title tags and meta descriptions to follow all the best practices. For instance, we use keywords that are low in difficulty but high in search volume, as well as write the title tags and meta descriptions between their character limits. Once the title tags and meta descriptions are optimized, we then like to optimize all of the on-site copy. This way, we could add all of the keywords that were used in the title tag into the copy on the page. This supports the title tag and tells Google that we want to target those particular keywords. In addition to optimizing the on-site copy or the existing copy, we like to create new content as well. This includes content for your blog, new organic landing pages, or adding content to the existing pages on the website that are low in copy or missing copy entirely. Once the copy is optimized and we get into a routine of posting regular content, we then like to begin working on off-site SEO. This includes building citations and link building. Citations are what you'll see in the search engine on the right-hand side. Citations are essentially business directories that link to your website and include all of your business information. For example, Google My Business, Bing Maps, Apple Maps, Manta, MapQuest, and so forth. Link building is the process of building new links back to your website. Typically, this includes guest posting on other websites and linking back to your website within the guest post. In addition, we build new citations, or we create content that we could share and build links to. To sum it all up, SEO is the process of growing the quality and the quantity of website traffic by increasing the visibility of your website or a web page to users of a web search engine like Google.